Cybervelo 1000 peak electric bike. 80 miles, 1000 watt power, and all-terrain fun. Tired of sluggish rides, flat tires, and bikes that can't handle hills? Frustrated with short battery life, uncomfortable seats, and constant maintenance hassles? Overwhelmed by commuting struggles or weekend adventures cut short by weak e-bikes? Stop settling for underpowered rides that waste your time and energy. You deserve an electric bike that's fast, reliable, and fun every single mile. The pain of long commutes, bumpy paths, or beach and trail rides becomes unbearable with a weak bike. Missed connections, exhausted legs, and unreliable brakes turn every ride into stress. Without a powerful, dependable e-bike, even short trips feel like uphill battles. You need a ride that conquers steep hills, handles all terrain, and makes commuting or recreation effortless. Introducing the Cybervelo 1000 peak electric bike, the ultimate adult e-bike for commuting, recreation, and all-terrain adventures. Powered by a high-speed 1000 watt peak brushless motor and 7-speed transmission, it reaches up to 28 miles per hour with astonishing acceleration and hill climbing power. The removable 80-mile long-range battery ensures extended rides without worry. Front fork suspension and saddle shock absorption deliver a smooth ride, while 26-inch puncture-resistant tires provide stability on city streets, gravel paths, or sandy beaches. Dual disc brakes with EABS guarantee confident stopping power. The water-resistant LCD display shows speed, battery level, pedal assist mode, and mileage, with a cruise control option for effortless long rides. Delivered 90% pre-assembled with pedals, seat, battery, charger, and toolkit, it's ready to hit the road. One rider shared, "I flew up steep hills with zero struggle, and the battery lasted my full 40-mile ride." Game-changing. Cybervelo's 24/7 support and 30-day trial make this not just an e-bike, but a worry-free adventure companion. Experience unparalleled freedom, power, and comfort with the Cybervelo 1000 peak electric bike. Streamline your commute or explore trails with 7-speed versatility, 1000 watt peak motor power, and up to 80 miles per charge. Riders rave, perfect for my 10-mile commute. Fast, sturdy, and safe with excellent brakes. Influencers praise the throttle on demand for zippy starts, and analysts highlight the removable battery as ideal for apartment or office charging. The dual shock absorbing system and puncture-resistant tires make city streets, beach paths, or light off-road rides smooth and worry-free. Curious why so many riders swear by this e-bike? Customers report seamless acceleration, confident hill climbing, and long-range reliability. The water-resistant LCD keeps you informed at a glance, showing speed, battery level, pedal assist mode, and cruise control. One outdoor recreation expert notes, "It handles urban roads and light trails effortlessly, one e-bike to rule them all." From casual weekend rides to daily commuting, the Cybervelo 1000 peak combines performance, comfort, and cutting-edge features. Multiple assist modes let you choose workout intensity or conserve battery, giving every ride a customized experience. With thoughtful engineering and rave reviews, it's clear why this bike is becoming a favorite among enthusiasts and commuters alike. Don't wait. Claim your Cybervelo 1000 peak electric bike today. Limited stock is available, so act now and join thousands already enjoying fast, smooth, and long-lasting rides. With 1000 watt peak power, 80-mile range, dual suspension, and puncture-resistant tires, this e-bike delivers adventure, commute efficiency, and confidence in every pedal. Removable battery and intuitive LCD display make riding easier than ever. Transform your daily rides, beach trips, or trails. Seize this chance and experience ultimate freedom on two wheels.